What is up everyone, this is Jojo the Techie, and today I'm going to show you the gestures you can use to navigate in tablet mode on Chrome OS. From the bottom, long swipe up and this will take you straight to your home screen. From the bottom, do a short swipe up and this will show you all the pinned apps you have on your dock. From the bottom, swipe up and hold and this will show you all your open app windows. From overview, you can split your screen by holding and dragging a window to one side, then doing the same for the other one on the other side. You can also reposition this by moving the lever left and right. If you need to go back to the previous screen, just swipe from the left side. Hope you like this video and these gestures prove useful to you. If you want to learn more about how to use your Chromebook, check out my Chromebook 101 playlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you may be notified the next time I post a video. See you in the next one!